Omron is an international company that is leader in automation and in safety.
Omron is the only global company to successfully integrate input, logic, output, safety, and robotics in a single automation platform solution.
We have been bringing innovation to manufacturing through automation for over 85 years. We have businesses in industrial automation, healthcare, social system, and electronic components.
Some of the industries we support are automotive, food and beverage, packaging, semiconductor and electronics, life sciences, and medical manufacturing.
We have a complete portfolio of automation and control products. So our main idea with these products is to offer solutions starting from a single application or complex solution to have the right product with the right solution.
The benefit of having many sites in Mexico is to support the customer and to know them better.
Mexico and Latin America are a key part of the Americas, which also belongs to the global Omron Corporation. We share the same vision and the same strategy, so we closely collaborate with the different functions among the Americas, Europe, and Asia Pacific.
At Omron, we create world-class automation products and solutions to help manufacturers so they can create safe and reliable products for customers. We can help our customers solve the problems of industry so they can help improve the quality of life for all the people.
As account manager, I'm enjoying supporting my customers and finding the best solution for their needs. To me, the best word to describe Omron is innovation. As a Japanese company, we are always looking for the best technology for our products.
What makes Omron special is that we can offer a complete portfolio of products and provide a full automation solutions. What excites me about the future of Omron is that we are a very fast-growing company in Mexico. I'm very sure that we can provide even more solutions for the automation industry.
At Omron, we use advanced technology to solve problems for our customers. Omron has it all. Best technology for big ideas.
Our mission is to improve lives and contribute to a better society.